Hey there guys, welcome to another video where today we're going to be installing Windows XP on my laptop, which I got working. Yep, I got it working, which is fun. So, let's start it up for the first time. I haven't actually tested it yet, so I don't know if it's going to work. I press start. Oh, here we go, select startup disk. Hang on. So just for the details, this version of Windows XP is 32-bit and it has Service Pack 3 on it. Start. Right, how do I... Right, full screen mode. So, here we go. I need to scale it. Scale. Oh no, I don't want that. What did I do? Hang on. Alright, so I got it working. The best thing I can do is scale it up to 175%. So, here we go. Welcome to setup. We have no mouse at this point. So, welcome to setup. This portion of the setup program prepares Microsoft Windows XP to run on your computer. Set up Windows XP now and press enter. I agree, so that's F8. So we've got 2047 megabytes of unpartitioned space. So we'll install on there. And we're going to do quick NTFS. So here we go, it's formatting the partition now. So this is actually on my USB stick. You can see that there's the USB activity light. Okay, now it's creating a list of files to be copied. And its setup is copying files. Now I won't go through the whole process. I will cut it down quite a lot because it'll take a while. But just for reference, we started this at 1:30. I haven't done this in over a year, so that's going to be fun. And also, I wanted my brother to come with me, but he didn't want to. So it shows what file that it's copying down here. Spnike. Now I will skip past the main installation, but yeah, it's taking a while to copy files. Normally this shouldn't take too long from looking at loads of videos. Now, while I was doing this, I'm going to talk to you about a bit about Windows XP. So, Windows XP was released in 2001. This is Professional Service Pack 3, which is the best version you're going to get. So, basically, this came right after Windows ME, the big fail, as people know it as. And it was like the best thing at the time, and lots of computers still run XP, even though it was discontinued 6 years ago in 2014. So that's just something that's pretty cool, I guess. So yeah, it's copying files now. I've had to zoom it in for now, so it looks a bit grainy. I mean, you probably can't really see it on the camera, but if I zoom in to the text, if it focuses, you'll see, yeah, it's a bit blurry. But once the setup is done, it will run. I've had Windows XP run on this before. It will run at my laptop's resolution natively. And just in case you're wondering, I've got my laptop screen here and this screen here. My phone likes recording on this screen more. So we're nearly done copying files. Hopefully I'll get all the drivers in, because Windows 98 doesn't do that very well. Please wait while setup initial. Oh, here we go. Your computer, right, so we need to reboot. If there is a floppy disk, remove it. There isn't. So let's reboot. There you go. As you saw, I was using VirtualBox 6.0. I'm not going to boot from CD. There it is, Windows XP. I think I don't need to be zoomed in anymore. How do I get to the bottom menu? Alright, I found out how to make it so I'm on my Windows 10 mouse, and that's by pressing right control. So let's scale to 150%. So it's scaled up a bit, but not too much. Stay up to date. Windows Update provides you with critical software updates and hardware support files for Windows XP. This aspect gives you the opportunity to ensure you have the latest software to install Windows quickly and successfully. Well, not anymore. They stopped making updates for it in 2014. So I can't really stay up to date anymore. But it is Service Pack 3, and also Windows Update on this thing isn't supported anymore, and I don't think it was ever supported for VMs either. Your computer will be faster and more reliable, yeah, so, again, Windows ME was really not reliable at all. It would blue screen a lot and crash a lot, but Windows XP kind of fixed most of those issues. So as you can see, it's nearly done installing devices. This is taking a while. Get support for the latest hardware and software. Well, probably not anymore, since they stopped doing updates in 2014. Windows XP Professional supports DVD RAM drives, and I'm using Professional. Easily move documents and personal settings to a new computer, so you can get more. This is I think maybe the first version of Windows where you could actually copy files over from one computer to another. Where before, I think it could only copy between versions of Windows, but it could always copy between versions of Windows from Windows 1.0. And personal settings won't be wiped out, so you don't have to go through the hassle of going all the way through the control panel and getting all your stuff set up again. Surfing the internet, safe, fast, and flexible. Yeah. At the time, yes. It doesn't have the most secure version of Internet Explorer to date anymore. They've actually stopped doing Internet Explorer, and they've switched to Microsoft Edge, which is better, but I still use Google Chrome. Exploring Creative Side with photos, yes, photo editing and video editing was a big thing on this. And enhances your ability to share photos with your friends and family. You can go with digital camera, share it over the internet. That was a big thing back in 2001. So yeah. Now, this is Windows XP Service Pack 3. What's interesting about Windows XP Service Pack 3 is I think it came out in 2008, which is about the time when Windows Vista Service Pack 1 came out. Work anytime, anywhere, yes. So, with Windows XP, they really focused on getting laptops to work really well. Now, obviously, this is way too good of a laptop. This is pretty much too good for 2000. This is way too good for 2001. But for 2020, it is not so good. Even my phone has more RAM than that and a better processor. And I'm recording this on my phone. Windows XP is great for notebook computers, yeah. And Microsoft ClearType dramatically improves the readability of LCD screens because most laptops had LCD screens, and Windows ME was like, eh. So yeah, they definitely improves that. And also, it's been on this installing devices for a long time now. Setup will complete in approximately 33 minutes. It's been on. It's been like that on installing. Oh god. It's been like that on installing devices for quite a while now. Enjoy using Windows XP. This is so fun right now. Oh no, oh, we have got a read light on the USB stick. Okay, must be doing something. I mean, it's doing something, but I don't know what it's doing. Presumably installing devices. What the heck's a zip disk? Come on, my video's premiering at 8 o'clock. Hurry up. Alright, so it turns out if it's stuck on installing devices, then I looked it up on Google Chrome crashed. But yeah, it basically said that it's normally a bad ISO. So I need to get a new ISO.